Hi, good morning everyone. It's me, Ali, and I landed late last night. So just woken up in my hotel room and it's breakfast time. And I want to give you guys a little life hack that us flight attendants do. It's called Delsey dining. And basically it's where we bring food from home so we can save a little bit of money. So what I brought for my breakfast from home is this little pot of cereal, and that's what I'm going to have for my breakfast. So we can't take milk into different countries, obviously. So what I do is pretty much every hotel room will have a coffee machine, and they'll have these really cute little milks. These are called coffee mates, and I'm just going to use this in my cereal. So here we go. Ooh. It's going to take a while. Okay, so I've gone to the downstairs and I've just asked for some more. Oh, well, this is the eating bed, so it's fine. I sleep over there. Okay, so that's enough. And I'm just gonna go grab a spoon. I forgot a spoon. Okay guys, no panic, I did forget my spoon, but what I did remember is that in most hotel rooms, these coffee machines, they have these really cute little sugar things, and look what they have. So I am going to fashion myself some cutlery out of this one and this one, and you know, and I'm just gonna kind of Do you know what? I'm going to the buffet.
Oh, really?